The other day I harvested potatoes as rames. So today I'm cooking green curry with potatoes. So the main ingredients today will be potato. And you can add some other stuff like zucchini, anything you like broccoli, green bean. That is optional. So if you have any of them, it's still good. Otherwise, it's okay. Let's go cooking. This green curry very famous in Thai cuisines. Yeah, you see many kind of veggie in this curry, and you need to prepare many other spices. For a success Thai curry, we need fish stock, salt, sugar, 1 can of coconut milk. For the protein part of this meal, I will use chicken. 600 grams of chicken include bone. You can use chicken breast, or you can use with fish or beef or shrimp, pork. For vegetarian version, you can use tofu. What makes curry a curry? It's the curry paste. To make curry paste, we need the basil, coriander, turmeric, garlic. Coriander and basil will make the curry have the green color, and 1 or more stalk of lemongrass will make our curry more aromatic. If you like a spicy green curry, you can add red chili, green chili, or whatever chili. Let's cook. Hành tỏi vô đi cho thơm.
Vỏ đỏ thì cho mình.
Interesting fact is that the red potato has the white color inside, and the white color potato has yellow meat.